you want your eliminations to be seriously prolific, the equivalent of 12 bowel movements in one colonic. It's huge. You do that repetitively, and your whole being will transform. You'll remove the cause of the rot. You'll remove the cause of disintegration in your body. You'll remove the cause of your foggy-headedness. You'll remove the cause of your agitation, because you're going to remove the inflammation. And what is agitation but inflammation? You see that in the cartoons, it was always that the man gets so red, so angry. He's getting big and red and inflamed and angry. You're removing that. And that's why the people that do this right are so chilled. They're like Rasta. You know, it's very hard to get them riled up. Obviously, we all have buttons that we can be pushed, and we need to overcome those. But getting all this stuff out of the way gets the initial reaction stuff out of the way so that you can actually see what your deeper buttons are and deal with them, because eventually you want to obviously expunge them too.